St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Mathematics by Richa Garg. Hello students, I welcome you all to this class too. Let's start with chapter number 3, A Trip to Bhopal, part 2. Children, open your textbook, page number 25. Come on now, get in fast. It is already 9 o'clock. The journey begins. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. Indra, when we will reach Bhopal? Miss Asha, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around dash o'clock. So children, first let's solve this sum. At what time they will reach Bhopal? Okay children?
Okay, children. Now our first question is, Mr. Asha, if we do not stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around dash o'clock. Now, children, journey begins 9 o'clock. Okay, children. Now we will reach Bhopal 2 in 2 hours. Now, so that is around what time we will reach? So children, what we will do? We will add this. 9 plus 2, 11. So children, around 11 o'clock we will reach Bhopal. As you can see, Mr. Asha, if we do not stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around dash o'clock. So children, journey begins 9 o'clock. Reach Bhopal, we will reach Bhopal in 2 hours. That is around 11 o'clock. So we will write 11 over here. So we will reach around 11 o'clock.
Now children, let's move ahead. Manjeet, it is very fast. Is it very fast? Mr. Bhimsen, it is about 70 kilometer. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometer from here. So children, their second question is, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, and third is after 11 o'clock. So children, let's do this sum first.
Children, now our second question is, if we go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock. Now children, 70 kilometer journey travels will take 2 hours. That is children around 120 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours, 60 plus 60, 120 minutes. Now, Bhimbetka is 50 kilometer. That will take how much time to reach? So children, in 1 hour, how many kilometer they will 70 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. And we will take 10 down. 2 5s are 10. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. So the answer will be, children, 35. So in this, by 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, they will reach Bhimbetka. So 10 o'clock they would have covered this 35 kilometers. So between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, they will reach Bhimbetka. Now children, you can see, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock, between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock. Now children, 70 kilometers is equal to 2 hours, as 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. Now Bhimbetka is 50 kilometers. Okay. So children, in 1 hour, how much they will travel? As 70 kilometers is equal to 2 hours. So 1 hour is equal to how much kilometer? So children, we will divide 70 divided by 2. We will get 35 kilometers. So children, in 1 hour we will complete 35 kilometers. So children, by 10 o'clock they would have covered 35 kilometers. So between 10 and 11 o'clock they will reach Bhimbetka. Okay children?
Children, let's move ahead. So in this, as they are talking, Bahadur shouts, "Hey, look at the Narmada." Everyone look out of the windows. Ruby, whoa, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is. Now children, turn your page number 26. Gopi, 100 meters? No, it is much more. Can't say. Victoria, it must be more than half a kilometer. Miss Asha, look, it is written. This bridge is 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. So now children, their next question is, was Victoria right? So children, let's discuss this sum first.
Now children, our third question is, was Victoria right? So children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So half kilometer is equal to 500 meter. So children, what we will do, we will divide this. 500 or 1000 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and remaining 2 0 will take. So what will come? 500. Okay. So children, now bridge height is 756 meters, 756.82 meter, which is given in your book. So 756 meter, that is more than half kilometer. So children, Victoria is right. Okay children, was Victoria right? So children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So half kilometer will be definitely 500. How? See, 1000 divided by 2. When we will divide, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, here it will come 500. Now children, now bridge height is 756.82 meter. That is more than half a kilometer. Okay children. So Victoria is right.
Now, children, let's move ahead with the next. Sadaf, I just can't imagine. 500 meters. Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 505 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. So children, their next question is, have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? So children, let's discuss this sum first.
Now children, our fourth question is, have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Now children, one bus is equal to 5 meter long. Correct children? Now, how long, how many buses are needed to make 500 meter long line? Now children, what we will do? We will divide. So, 500 divided by 5. So, 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 15 and 1 over 1 this. So, 100. So children, 100 buses can stand in line on a 500 meter long bridge. So children, have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meter long was it? So children, one bus is equal to 5 meter long. So how many buses are needed to make 500 meter long line? So children, we will divide. 500 divided by 5, you will get 100. So 100 buses can stand in a line on a 500 long bridge. Okay children? So
Now, children, let's talk ahead. Everyone look down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. Miss Asha, but in the rainy season, the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. So children, now their next question is, what is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now dash in meters? So children, let's discuss the sum first.
now children, our next question is fifth one. What is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now? Dash in meters. So children, Mr. Rakesh is talking about 40 meter below the bridge and Ms. Asha is talking about 15 meter below the bridge in rainy season. So children, when we are talking about difference, we always have to minus. So 40 minus 15, we will get, this will become 10, and 4, your 3 will come. 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 1, 2. So 25 meter. So answer will be, children, 25 meter. Difference is there in water level in rainy season and now. What is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now dash meters? Children, 40 meter below the bridges Rakesh talking about, and Miss Asha is talking about 15 meter below the bridge in rainy season. So we'll minus this, children. 40 minus 15, we will get 25 meter. So 25 meter difference is there in water level in rainy season and now. So here 25 meter will come. Okay, children?
Children, now let's move to page number 27. Suddenly, the bus stops with a jerk. Oh, the petrol pump. Two buses need to be refilled. The buses stand in a line. Children are sticking their necks out to see how diesel is filled in this bus. Some children have got down to look more closely. Now children, their first question is, each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes, which means they are late by about dash minutes. Children, let's solve this sum first.
Now children, our next question, sixth question is, each bus takes about 15 minutes to refill and there are two buses to be refilled. So they stop there for about dash minutes, which means they are late by about dash minutes. So children, one bus to refill is equal to 15 minutes, right? One bus will take 15 minutes. So, two buses to refill is equal to how much minutes, children? So, we will multiply 15 multiply by 2. 2 5s are 10, 1 up and 0 down. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. So 30 minutes. So children, answer will be now there are about to reach in 2 hours, which is 120 minutes, but they go late here 30 minutes. one bus to refill will take 15 minutes. Two buses to refill will take how many minutes? How much minutes? So we will multiply 15 multiplied by 2. So we will get 30 minutes. Now they are about to reach in 2 hours, which is 120 minutes, but they go late here 30 minutes. So they will be late by 30 minutes. So which means they are late about 30 minutes.
Now children, let's move ahead. Hey, it has such a big tummy. It has already taken 100 liters. So we have to pay rupees 3500 rupees for the diesel. Now children, in some textbook here it is 3500 is written, and in some books there is written 5500. So we will discuss the sum with we will do the sum with 5500 rupees. Okay, so let's read the next question. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. Now children, let's do this sum.
Now children, our next question is 7th one. Look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. Now children, 100 liter of diesel cost is rupees 5,000 is rupees 5,500. So children, 1 liter of diesel cost is rupees how much? Children, we will divide this. So 5,500 divided by 100. 1 0 card, 1 0 card, 1 this and this one. So we get rupees 55. So children, look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel is rupees 55. So children, look in the picture and find the price of 1 liter of diesel. That is how much? So 100 liter of diesel cost is rupees 5,500. So 1 liter of diesel cost is rupees how much children? So we will divide this. So 5,500 upon 100 or divide, you will get rupees 55. So 1 liter of diesel cost is rupees 55.
Now children, let's move ahead with the next one. At the buses are being refilled, some children go to the toilet near the petrol pump. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? Aman has taken as much time to empty himself as one bus is taking to refill. So children, let's discuss this question first.
Children, now our next question is 8th question. How much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet? So children, one bus take 15 minutes. Aman took how much time? So children, we will multiply. So 15 multiplied by 1, we will get 15. So 15 minutes. So how much time did Aman take to come out of the toilet is 15 minutes. So minutes. So Aman took 15 minutes. Okay children?